Hey, just a quick tip, if you have a blower motor issue, this happens to be on a International 9200i, and it had no high speed. And this one, the resistor, blower motor and everything is under the passenger seat. Get a light on this subject here. There we go. And so I replaced the resistor. The connector was melted, it was junk. There's the blower motor. After I got done, it still did not work. And I said, what the heck? Well, it ended up, of all things, this is behind the glove box. And this one happens to have resettable circuit breakers. It was this circuit breaker, boom, hit the button, blower works like a bad dog. I see a lot on the forums, they were mentioning wires at the motor, resistor, wires at the motor, resistor. I didn't see anything mention that fuse, so figured I'd give you a heads up. Thanks.